Welcome back to Sonic Snap, your home for the biggest moments in dancehall. Last night at London's O2 Arena, the world boss himself dropped one of his biggest anthems, Clark's, and the crowd, pure madness. That's Vybz Kartel live in London with Clark's. From the stage to the crowd, word for word, Gaza forever. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss when Sonic Snap drops a new video.
Watch out! Real bad man never go in my side. Everybody got the ass, so they get the laugh. They get the heart. Toothbrush get on the fire. Put your foot in. They don't love getting up. Cross to the river, cross to the bird. Cross to the sun, cross to the water. Cross to the summer, cross to the winter. They don't realize it now. Not a sailor, full of the night, not even the golfer. They knew what they be, and I got sulfur. But my time for that is from what I observe. Straight cheese, cut down footpath. This everybody has the answer to get the plan.